Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today I have one of my favourite videos to film, which is a Colourpop haul. I've been making a lot of orders on Depop lately and I can't remember the last time I did a Colourpop haul. Anywho, we've got some stuff to show you. First thing I got my hands on was this Let's Roll palette. I love this, like, love the packaging, but I just love Colourpop, and I'm going to say this in every video because of the attention to detail that they have. The packaging is gorgeous, but the shades is nice. Like, there's all mattes here and then all shimmers up here. It is absolutely stunning. Oh no, these are like two shimmery mattes as well. Like, if you look closely, they've got a slight shimmer to them, but I'll probably use them as mattes. I cannot wait to like use this as like a little fun summer palette. Then I managed to get hold of the In the Springs palette, which I'm so excited to play with. I remember last year they did the Limoncello range and that was like my favourite range that they had done. Now I think this is close to it, but it's not the same as. So this is their new summer type collection and it looks gorgeous. There's oranges in there and I feel like it's just got everything in a palette that I love. Oh, very crumbly. I just swatched the green, but looks gorgeous. I managed to get myself the Darth Vader palette and I'm so happy that I did. Just look at the attention there, just look at it, and then look at him on the mirror right there. And this is the palette. It's so nice. There is only 4 mattes and 5 shimmers in here, but this is going to be perfect when it gets like autumn kind of weather. And this shade here is the shade that's calling my name, and the red in the middle, which is I Am the Master. I love the names as well, like Stormtrooper, Battle Stations, Gone Galactic, Death Star, Empire, Dark Side. Love it. Then we have their little cowgirl type collection. This is called the One and Done palette. This palette is beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. It is every kind of girly dream that you could imagine. This reminds me of just like a nice little summer neutral with a pop of pink kind of palette. I'm excited for this palette here, like proper excited. I'm sorry, but when am I not excited for any of these palettes? I managed to get the Star Wars palette, so I think my collection for Star Wars is complete. I have a few more bits here, but I'm just showing you the palettes first. Just look at that. The person I bought it off did dig their nail in this shade, and I think I made it worse by digging mine in. But this is what the palette looks like. And then this is what the packaging looks like. I've got no words. I've got no words whatsoever. Then there was a new collection, which I can't remember the name of it, but you've got the minis of the Stone Cold. No, not Stone Cold. They had like 2 big palettes and these are the mini versions. So this is called Twist of Slate and this is called Set in Stone. I can't remember if I showed you this in a previous haul, but this is what Twist of Slate looks like. So you've got a bunch of mattes and a bunch of shimmers. I've showed it the opposite way, mattes and shimmers. And this is Set in Stone. Again, same layout where you've got the mattes and the shimmers, but this is a cream. I wonder if that's meant to be like an eyeshadow primer. Is it the same in this one? Oh my god, that's a cream. That one's called In the Stars, which is more like cool tone pink. Ooh, I did not know that. Interesting. Did get the Apricot palette. I got everything that's come out and I'm just showing you in person. This is what it looks like. And that is the inside. It's gorgeous. It is really nice. And this is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that shade there. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it actually comes with like Super Shock shadows, which just come in this little box here. you open it up and you've got 3 shadows in there. So you have, I really should open boxes before, but sometimes the boxes are just gorgeous. That is what they look like. So this shade is called Bestis, which is a hot orange shade. Good job I didn't hold that up too much because I think that would break and fall out of the pan. Oh, that looks stunning. Then we've got Hey Lover, which is a light gold. That is gorgeous, wow. And the last one is called For Me, which again is more like, it's like a mid-tone orange compared to the rest. Then we have some highlights from this collection, which I think I might put some in a giveaway. I might, because some of these will be a bit too dark for me, but I love to collect Colourpop, so who knows. This one is called Flip Flop. I'm not going to swatch these because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all of them. This one is called Natch. Deeper bronzier shade. I think I'll put that into a giveaway, that one. And then the last one, oh, much darker, called Windmill. Again, I think I'll put that into a giveaway and maybe just keep the first shade. Got a hold of some Tinkerbell blushes. I love Tinkerbell. I love this collection. I still haven't got the palette. Can you believe that? I need the palette. These are gorgeous. So that is the shade Darling. But just look at the packaging. That is a really nice deep, oh, I love that kind of shade. Right there in the middle. That's gonna look stunning. Oh, look at that shade there. That one is called Magic Moon. The feeling of these is just so nice. Some of them just feel really cooling. It's right there. And lastly, we have the shade Happy Thoughts, which for me could be like a highlight on some of us. That looks like more of a highlight down there. And then the Apricot Collection, it came with an overnight lip mask, which this smells, oh, I thought there was a lid on it. I've just dug my nail in it. So nice, and reminds me of something from my childhood. And I've just got it all under my nail. Oh, it smells like apricots. It smells so good. It smells like a yogurt I used to have when I was younger. Then that Let It Roll palette came with 3 blushes. As you can see, I've got most of the collections because I got these off of Depop's where people were just selling the whole collection. So we've got a purple here called Jump Turn. Oh, that's stunning. Then we've got this shade called All Laced Up, which is a stunning kind of orange shade, peach. Love a good peach blusher, I really do, even though I'm wearing a purple one today. Then we have the shade 360, which is a hot red. It is nice. I bet these don't come out as pigmented straight away, so you can really build them up, which is nice because if you're scared they're going to be overly pigmented, they're not, and you can build them up to a really intense colour. Then we have some Super Shock highlighters from the Apricot range. These are Mahusive. So this one is called Addicted to You, and obviously I'm going to swatch it. So nice and cold, which is just right here. They'd probably be nice as a shadow for me. I'm still smelling that apricot. And the packaging just looks like this. So it's got like a nice little flower on the front looking thing. And then they've got a deeper one called On and On, which just looks like this. And I'll swatch it, and there's a dog out there going mental. And that is the 2 shades there. Oh my god. The blushes from that Cowgirl collection. I know it's probably not called Cowgirl, but they are stunning. One of these is meant to be like a dupe for the Dior blush. So we have this shade here called Prairie Air, I believe, which is like a baby pink. Then we have this shade here called Burn Card. I believe the last one was meant to be the Dior dupe, or this one, I can't remember. And then we have this shade here called Bankroll, which is more like a bronzery shade for me. I do have all the lip products from this range here. I can't remember the name of it. Glowing Lip, oh no, they're called Glowing Lips, but I can't remember the name of the range. And this is the packaging for them. So I got all 4. Look at that shade there. That one is called Mid-Century. Let's just swatch that one. That one I am very excited to try. They look like they're going to be perfect just to throw on. This shade is called Botanicals, and the sun is hitting me, so the lighting is off. I think I'm going to shut the blind. That is Botanicals right there. Okay, yeah, I think I need to shut the blind. Let me just show you the last 2 glosses. And this is called Adults Only, which is even nuder than the previous one. Right there. That sun is not loving me, is it? Oh, it's because it's on someone's window. And lastly, we have Desert Aura. Oh, which is a bright orange. Can you see that? I'm hoping you can. Which is right there. I am going to shut my blind. That is better. The lighting is so much better. But here are the lip gloss balm things here. That orange one is speaking to me. Then from the Cowgirl collection, we have 4 of their Fresh Kiss lip stains. And we also have a dog who's acting as if she wants to come in the room, but if I open the door, she won't come in. Fucking hell, that was a lot to get them out. Look how cute the packaging is on these. This is the shade Dice House, which is like a nudier colour. Then we have the shade Kick It Up, which is a bit more of a darker pink. Then we have like a brighter pink, which is called Hook. And then we have a really bright pink called Saloon. Do you remember that colour that everyone was going crazy about because of Missa? Well, this looks semi-like it to me. I have all the Star Wars lipsticks from that range as well. So we have Surrender, Dark Lord and Supreme Ruler. Just look at that packaging. They actually say Star Wars on them. That is Supreme Ruler. This shade just looks so good. Right there. Then we have Surrender, which is like this bright kind of orangey red. And lastly, we have Dark Lord, which is nude. So those are the 3 lipsticks. I feel like that would create a wicked ombre look. And then these came with those 2 little mini palettes. And these are the shades here. So you've got Cornerstone, this shade here, Coal It Quits, Monolith, and Gone Graphite. And I want to swatch this one. That is nice. And they're like a moussey velvety texture. That one, come autumn, be my everyday colour. Got some apricot glosses here, or lipsticks, I actually don't know. They're probably the Fresh Kiss ones. And these are the shades right here. So at the top we've got Freshest, then we have Nice and Slow, then we have Apricots and Cream, and then we have First Taste. And I'm going to swatch this one here for you, which is called Apricots and Cream. That is very unique. Very unique. I've got a couple of colours that look like that, but not that many, so that I cannot wait to wear. There's actually 2 glosses here from the Star Wars range. I think the girl actually kept one of the glosses, so I've got the purple one in Elite, which just looks like this, and then I've got the peachier one in Imperial, which just looks like this. And I'm not going to swatch them because I might put one of these in a giveaway. There will be a giveaway coming up, I promise. And then there's 4 cream liners from that range, this range as well, which again, I said I couldn't remember the name of the range. We've got Honey Dude, Crystal Crush, Overboard and Poppy. I'm not going to open these because I believe I want to put some of these in a giveaway. That is everything from Colourpop. I hope you did enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!